Over the next few months, we're going to be passing out special meal kits. They include a breakfast recipe and all the ingredients you need to make it. We call them Food Hero Recipe Kits. You can, following the recipe, put together the ingredients for a delicious and healthy breakfast. All of the recipes are kid-friendly, and a video for each one will show you how to put it together. It's as easy as open, build, and eat. Our meal kits provide a healthy breakfast and teach lifelong skills like cooking, reading, and math.